We're going to max out clean and jerk today, right? So to max out the clean and jerk, we need to make sure that we're doing our percentages correctly. Okay, so if you know your best clean and jerk, write it right here. You see how you would have all of your percentages down here on the side like this, and then you would have your best clean and jerk here in the top. First, we take our 50%. So we take half of whatever your best clean and jerk is. My best clean and jerk is 137, so I'll take half. So I'll do my first one. Will be at 70. I'll just say 60. I'll just say 65. That's about half. It's a little less than half, but that's about half. All the way over on the side, I just want you to write 10% and 5%. Okay? And to get your 10%, you're going to add the decimal. To get the 5%, you're going to do half of that. And if it's weird, then round it up or round it down. Does everybody have exactly this? Percentages in one line, best clean and jerk, 50%, 10%, 5%. Everybody has that? First one is 60%. So everybody add, okay, 10%. Add 10%, ready, set, go. Write that number down. Add 10%. My 10% is 14. Okay? All right. 10% again. 10% now. Another 10%. Okay? Add that. Okay? No. %, one more time. Now 5%. So now 5%. Make sure. Now 5% again. Okay? Now 4%, right? Here's where it's tricky. If you're 10%, let me know if anybody is in this situation. Your 10% is 2, your 5% is 1. Let me know if you're in that situation. Anybody? Okay. Can you add 4%? No, right? So we probably got to go backwards a little bit. So if you're in this situation, go back here. Erase this one. Okay? And instead of this one, only add 5%. I'm sorry, only add 1 kilo. Okay? Right here. And then if not, add 1 kilo right here. And then it's just 1, 1, 1. It's continuing on 1 because that's the smallest increment that you can go. All right? How about anybody with this? 4 and 2. Got a couple of those, right? 4 and 2. So same thing. When you guys are now here, if it's 94, that's just 1 kilo, 1 kilo, 1 kilo, 1 kilo. It's always just 1 kilo there. Okay? All right? If that is the case here, if you guys want to have numbers like me, okay? You see how when I get to 90%, my 5% is 7. So then my 4% is now 126. Then 90, my 3%, actually I pretty much have almost 2.5 would equal, 2.5 over here. Right, would equal 3.5. So now 3% right here is about 3. So I can do, or 4, 130. And my 100% can be 135, 137, something like that. Okay? Just like every other lifter in the entire universe will end up doing this, 2 kilos. Okay? So it is not just because you are younger or you are not as strong as somebody else. No matter who you are in the entire universe, you're going to find yourself in this position, increasing by 2 kilos to get a PR. And if you do it, what do you do next? 1. Increase by 1. Perfect. And if you do it, what do you do next? Increase by 1 again. And then after you finally had a new PR and then your new PR is 145. Then what happens? This changes. This changes everything here, right? Now that, let's just make it easy, it's 150, okay? Now this is 75. And look, I'm starting, my 50% is now what my 60% basically used to be. And then after that, I'm going to add another 15, which 75 plus 15 is 90. And guess what? Now my 60% is basically what my 70% used to be. And then now another 15, 105. And guess what? This trend is going to keep going, right, guys? And then I'm going to eventually get all the way down here and PR by how many kilos? 1 kilo. Lecture. Ready, guys? Ready to lift? Put your